Stat groups simplify and speed up the process of creating reports, dashboards, thresholds, and alerts. We'll be seeing how to create a catch-all auto-grouping rule that will automatically collect every device that the other grouping rules currently miss, and we can use this to highlight where we may need to update our existing rules. We configure grouping rules in the admin tool. Under User Profile and Grouping, select Auto Grouping. We can see the existing rules, and here's our catch-all rule. Auto grouping rules can use the content of other groups as filters, and those groups could be populated by other auto grouping rules. These rules are processed from the top of the list down, so we want any rule that relies on the output of another rule to run after it. And in this instance, we want all our grouping rules to run before we run our catch-all. So we can drag the rule to order the list, and we can use a button to push a rule to the top or bottom of the list. On to the rule configuration. It's really very simple. Set group type to device. Check the clear box. Now this will empty the group before the rule is run, creates a self-pruning group. And under filters, check the no group box. Only include entities that aren't found in any group on the system. We can test the rule to preview what will happen if the rule is run and review the test output. Every device that this rule picks up will be a device that isn't currently catered for by our existing grouping rules. And from this I can determine which rules I might need to amend, so when I use a group as a filter for a report or dashboard, I'm confident that the group contains every device I expect it to. If you have hardware in a number of locations with various teams looking after them, then you may not be aware, in every instance, that devices are being added or removed from your network. You can configure your auto grouping rules so that your groups are automatically updated with any hardware changes, and use something like this catch-all rule to identify hardware that slips through and indicate where you might need to create a new auto grouping rule or update an existing one.